Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. To use Linux effectively, you need to understand the file system hierarchy and where important files are stored. In this video, we'll describe the file system hierarchy from the top down. Let's go ahead and get started. The Linux file system hierarchy is essential for Linux users. Unlike Windows, it uses a single tree-like structure starting from the root or the slash at the top of the directory tree. This design ensures simplicity, scalability, and interoperability, making it a cornerstone of Linux systems. This slide provides an overview of key Linux directories. It includes /var for variable files, /bin for essential binaries, /sbin for system binaries, and the /etc directory for configuration files, and /home for user directories. The root directory is the topmost level in the Linux file system, from which all other files and directories branch off of. The /bin directory contains essential programs for booting and basic operations, while /sbin holds binaries for system administration and maintenance. The /etc directory contains configuration files and directories for the operating system and applications. Examples include /etc password, PASSWD, for user account information, and the /etc host for resolving host names. Each user has a subdirectory within /home, such as /home/Eric. This directory stores user-specific files like documents, downloads, and configuration settings. The /var directory in Linux is crucial for storing dynamic data such as logs, emails, and temporary files. It aids in monitoring and debugging system performance. The /user directory, /usr directory, contains user-installed software and system binaries that are not critical for booting. It includes subdirectories like /userbin and user binaries and userlib for application libraries. The /dev directory represents device files, providing access to hardware devices like hard drives, USB drives, and printers. For example, /dev SDA represents the first SATA drive. In this slide, it covers the virtual file systems like /proc and /sys. The /proc file system provides details about running processes such as the init process. The /sys file system is used to access hardware and kernel settings. The mount points /mnt and /media. /mnt is used as a temporary mount point for additional file systems or devices, and /media is used for automatically mounted external devices like USB drives and CDs. The /temp directory stores temporary files created by applications and the OS, which are often cleared upon reboot. /opt directory is used for installing optional software packages, often containing third-party applications. To navigate between directories, use the cd command. To list files within a directory, use the ls command. In Linux, every file and directory has permissions that define who can read or execute it. You can check these permissions using specific commands. Understanding the Linux file system hierarchy is crucial for effective navigation and administration. Each directory has a specific purpose, ensuring clear organization. Mastering this structure optimizes workflow and aids in troubleshooting. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it's given you a good understanding of the Linux file system hierarchy. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. That's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.